Good morning class 1 students. Welcome back to your English language class. So already we have completed till page number 30. Today we are going to start our next page, page number 31. So first all of you take out your book, page number 31. At the top put classwork and today's date. Now, can you see these pictures? And what is noun, children? First tell me. Name of a person, place, things, animals and birds is called noun. So, see in the below, people, animals, things and places. So these people's name, animals name, things name, places names are nouns. Animals means birds or animals together. Okay, so you have to choose or you have to find out which are the name of people or name of a person, which are the name of animals, which are name of things and which are the places pictures given to you. Now, first one is spoon, then puppy, tailor, shop, postman, monkey, telephone, elephant, book, temple, umbrella, plumber, pigeon, tomato, camel, kitchen, station, bench, hospital and the last one is sheep. Now you have to divide into different name of places, persons, things, animals or birds. So, spoon is a name of a thing. Puppy, name of a animal. Tailor, name of a person. Shop is a place. Postman, person. Monkey, animal. Telephone, thing. Elephant, animal. Book, thing. Temple, place. Umbrella, thing. Plumber, person. Pigeon, birds or animals. Tomato, we know that tomato is a name of a vegetable. But here in the column there is no option is given vegetable. So, tomato will be thing. Then camel, animal. Kitchen, place. Station, place. Bench, thing. Hospital, place. And sheep also, a vehicle's name is sheep. So, now we can say sheep is a thing. So, I have written. So, you have to write in this way. People, how many peoples we are getting? Tailor, postman and plumber are name of person. That means people. Animals, puppy, monkey, elephant, pigeon and camel. Then things, spoon, telephone, book, umbrella, bench, tomato as well as sheep also. Then places, shop, temple, kitchen, station and hospital. Have you done, children? It's very interesting, no? So only you have to write this object's name in proper place. Okay? Now, in the next page, it will be your homework. See, so many pictures are given. What you have to do? You have to circle the name of things which you like to take along with you for a picnic. Suppose you are going for a picnic. What are the things are you like to take along with you? That things you have to circle. So you do it by yourself. Next day I will tell you the answers, or you will match with me. Okay? Okay. Then next page, page number 33. See the help box. You have to complete these sentences with the help of these words. So first is glasses, spoon. Repeat after me, children. Pet dog, fruits, cap, sandwiches, mat, bat, radio, plates, ball, camera, and a basket. Now I am reading the sentence and you have to choose the correct word from this box and you have to complete this sentence. You can see already I have written. So first one is, we eat cheese dash on a picnic. From this help box, which will be the answers? Cheese and sandwiches on a picnic. For a picnic, you would like to take or you like to eat cheese and sandwich? So, cheese and sandwiches on a picnic. We all like to eat cheese and sandwiches for a picnic. Now, we sit on a dash. Will you sit on a garden or will you sit on a grass? No, you need a mat for sitting. So, we sit on a mat. We play with dash and dash. If you want to go for a picnic, normally boys will take bat and ball for the play and the girls will take dolls. Is it, children? So, we play with bat and ball. We eat in dash. Will you eat in your hand? No, very bad habits. We eat in plates. Always, whenever we are eating, we use the plates. No, children? So, we eat in plates. We drink water in glasses. Normally at home, when you are drinking, we all use the glasses. But in the school, you are using bottles. Is it, children? Then, we take pictures with a camera. We take pictures with a camera. We eat food with a spoon. We eat with food with a spoon. Mummy gives us fruits to eat. Children, this is very important. You need to eat fruits every day because fruits are very good for our health. I wear a dash when it is sunny. Sunny days, we need cap to cover our head. Then we carry things in a basket. We listen to music on a radio. And we play with our pet dog. So, have you done? Very good. So, you have to read this sentence and take help from this box and complete these sentences. So, today, till this much. Next day, we will do some revision on our topic, this naming word, nouns. Okay, children? So, thank you for watching and have a nice day.